Hi, my name is Jackie Obara, and I'm a candidate for the Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County. Thank you to the League of Women Voters of Greater Pittsburgh for the opportunity for me to answer two important questions related to my courtroom experience and my judicial philosophy on sentencing. With regard to my courtroom experience, I have been a licensed attorney in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania for the last 20 years. In that time, I have been a litigator, a law clerk, and a hearing officer. When I graduated from law school in 2004, I was hired as a family law attorney at a very small firm that gave me lots of hands-on experience representing clients in divorce, custody, support, protection from abuse, and dependency matters. When Judge Tom Flaherty was elected to the bench, I became his law clerk. He was first assigned to family division and then was transferred to criminal division. In that capacity, I assisted the court with the day-to-day operations of his courtroom. I drafted legal memoranda, reviewed pleadings, drafted opinions, drafted jury instructions, and assisted the court with the day-to-day operations of domestic violence court. In 2019, I was appointed as a divorce hearing officer. In that capacity, I sit as the finder of fact with regard to hearings for financial issues related to divorce. So these things include topics such as equitable distribution of marital property, complex support, alimony, enforcement of marriage settlement agreements, establishments of data separation. I sit down with the parties and have conciliations where I attempt to effectuate an amicable resolution of the pending claims. But if that doesn't work, I will have a hearing. When I have a hearing, I've had hearings as few as 3 hours and as long as 7 days. And then at the end, I issue a report and recommendation to the assigned judge where they can adopt it as their final disposition of the economic claims or any pending claim. So I've had, for the last 20 years, near daily involvement inside the courtroom. With regard to my theory on alternative sentencing, the sentencing code in Pennsylvania has a wide variety of options available to jurists when they're doing sentencing an offender. I am a firm believer in individualized sentencing. No two people are the same. The sentencing options to be considered include things like community-based supervision, electronic home monitoring, alternative housing, and incarceration. And while incarceration is always the last resort, all of the other options are things to be considered. We also have many diversionary programs that try to keep individuals outside of incarceration, but provide them with treatment options they need for drug and alcohol dependency, mental health concerns, and other similar issues.